If you want to increase the response rate of your email outreach, pay attention, because I'm going to share 3 proven strategies with you in this video that are guaranteed to make you stand out in people's inboxes. First, I want to ask you a question. If you saw an email from either of these addresses in your inbox, which one would you take more seriously? Obviously, you're going to take the second one more seriously because it's coming from a branded domain. But did you know that you can use Gmail to manage your domain's email as well? All you have to do is follow the instructions in the video description from Google, and then you'll be able to connect Gmail to your private domain. And if you do that right now, you will see an instant increase in your response rate. Next, you should add a high-quality signature to your email. That will help you to appear more trustworthy and professional. Now, you can use a free tool like Signature Maker to create one. All you have to do is input your information and then click here to follow the setup instructions to deploy it. It takes like less than 30 seconds to do, but it will have a big impact on your response rate. Last but not least, it's amazing how many people forget to add a photo to their Google account. That means that when you send an outreach email, it's coming from a faceless account, which, well, that's just about guaranteed to get your email ignored. But you can combat this by adding an image to your Google profile so that your outreach emails look much more personal like this and not completely faceless like this. Now, if you don't feel comfortable using a headshot of yourself, you could also use a logo or a cartoon version of you. If you integrate these 3 things into your outreach strategy, I guarantee you will see a higher response rate. Make sure that you send your emails from a branded domain with a professional looking signature and a friendly profile picture. If you combine that with the tips from my Gmail link building video, you'll be unstoppable. But before that happens, please subscribe to my YouTube channel now to make sure you get more great videos like this one.